I'm going to show you how you can solve the problem that a lot of people is having right now, which is that Spotify playlist show as empty, so the Spotify application is not working. So to do that, all you need to do is call the Spotify application and click on application info. It should look something like this. It might look different depending on your phone. And once you are here, you need to go to storage and clear the storage, confirm, and clear the cache as well if you didn't do it already. After you do that, another recommendation I will say is go to the Google Play and open the application and make sure you have the last version available. So if the update button appears right here, just click it to download the last version. After that, if it doesn't fix the issue, you can always uninstall and download Spotify again. And if none of this fixes the issue, you should reset or turn off and on again your device and then open Spotify. And the last fix, which is probably the one is going to work for you, is try to create another Spotify account and use the playlist from your old account. So to do that, you just need to make your Spotify playlist public or invite yourself as a collaborator. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.